guys, it's me, Trace from Refurbished in the Middle, and as promised, I can't wait. I'm gonna do the footboard later, but I wanted to get on here and wax this. I'm gonna turn the camera, and I have my palm brush, and I've got that hemp oil wax that I'm gonna try on this. I'm real excited because see, I hope you could see this on the camera. See how the wax pulls out all your beautiful colors, and it's pulling out. I did the golden ticket on there in the last video, and I'm just gonna take my time and rub through. It won't remove any of what I stenciled on there because it's dry, and I let it dry overnight real good. So it's, and the metallic I did 2 days ago, so that's all had a lot of good cure time. But look at how that's pulling that out. I just love this. You'll get the same look too with some of your waxes, but the hemp oil just really pulls out this major depth out of your colors. It's just amazing. I just love this stuff. I've had a lot of fun doing this bed, but I've got the footboard and the sideboards, and I should have painted them, but sometimes I just get going and I get so excited. I just want to get it done. So I'll do those other ones. They won't take me but a little bit, you know, a day to get those done. But look at that color. It's even pulling out. I'll put the camera up here too, closer to it when I get this whole front board done. And you can see, I'll show you where it just pulls everything out. That's where I sanded it down to the wood. So see, the wood is coming through too. And it's got, this is the blue, and there's red, and there's cowboy coral, I think that's what it's called, and the golden ticket. And I just love it. Now look up here on this ball. I left a little more of the natural wood showing on that one. And I did go through and I did some detail with the golden ticket on all these little spindles. I see a couple places I'm gonna have to hit, but now I'll just give it a day to dry before I try to go back and put a product on top of the hemp oil. You'll be able to do it, but you just gotta let it dry. And before I let any of my products go on my floor for sale or my commission work, I really do let it sit around the studio for a long time. I don't like flip furniture, and there's nothing wrong with that, so don't take it as I'm saying, you know, I mean anything by that in any bad way, because I don't, but I just work at my pace, and you know, my commission business has been most of my business, and I give my furniture, there we go, I'm sorry, a lot of cure time. And for me, I think it makes a huge difference in the quality, you know, because I want to make sure that when you get your piece of furniture, it's going to last you a lifetime. I don't want you to call me 4 or 5 years and say, hey, this paint's coming off, or, you know, the only time I want to hear from you again is if you're, say I've done your baby furniture and you want to transition up into a junior. Call me then and we'll transition it up, but you shouldn't have to. I can guarantee when you get something from me that you won't have to. All right. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. I'm even gonna wind you down a little, and I'm gonna get you right up on there. I hope you guys can see that. See that? That's the gold coming through, and look at all the colors. I just love that. Look at those medallions. Let me pull you way back, and you can see just about, it's not all completely waxed. I got to get the legs, but I'm really happy with that. Let's see, there we go. Look at that. Look how pretty. See how all the colors came out once I put the oil on there? And you can come back, because like, see, I see a few spots where I must have missed when I was brushing. So you can come back and just give it a little brush. The stuff is not going to come off. It's going to stay right on there, and all you're going to do is enhance everything. So that's what I did. So I wanted to get on here and let you see me wax it. If you get the opportunity to work with hemp oil wax, let me know what you think, because I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Look at that. That's like, I love that. I think that is going to be so cute. I can see it all together with the bedding and stuff. And so that's what I got today. Thanks. See you soon.